Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the Star Wars Resistance toy line Wave 1 2-packs. So in this first wave of 2-packs, we have basically a figure and a droid. And here we have Poe Dameron and Bb-8. And Jarek Eager and Bucket R3B7. So this is from the new Star Wars animated series, Star Wars Resistance. Now, I did get all of the first wave of single-carded figures, and then I also have a review on that. And I did start watching the series, and so far I'm liking it. Now, I'm pretty early in. I think I only finished about 3 episodes so far. I do hope they are going to make some of the vehicles for them. I really want to get my hands on that red TIE fighter, so that was pretty cool. Anyway, let's get these guys opened up. Let's start with Poe. Okay, so here we have Poe Dameron and Bb-8. Now, Poe, this, I don't know if it's my particular figure, he can't stand for some reason. I may have to, yeah, something's wrong with the leg, I believe. I might have to put this in hot water and straighten it out. Maybe it's just my particular figure, but he has a hard time standing. And Bb-8 as well. I'm not sure why, but you figured they probably would have made this guy a little flat just for standing, but he tips over easily just as well. So let's see if I can get them to stand. Poe, I gotta hunch him up forward. Let's do a side view here. I hope it's just with my particular figure, but having him stand seems a little difficult. Okay, let's get on to the figure. So here's Poe. This, an animated version of him, straight from the cartoon, in the classic well, not really classic, but X-Wing fighter uniform. Been modernized just a bit, but colors are there. You see, he has a rebel sign, and you can check out the face detail here. Just a pretty basic figure, but this is all in that animated style, so you're not gonna expect a lot of realistic look. It's going to be more cartoony. It comes with a helmet, and well, the helmet's paint apps are nice and clean. I like that. And he comes with his tiny pistol over here. Bb-8 is just one piece. Very nice paint apps, very clean. But like I said, in terms of standing, well, he's standing good now, but very fiddly. Poe just needs to be corrected. I believe I just got to double check, but I think I may have to dip one of his legs in hot water and then kind of straighten it out. Anyway, as far as articulation goes, here we have your basic Star Wars figure. 360 on the head, 360 on the arms. no risk articulation like the First Order troopers. And then on the legs, basically, he goes up and goes back. I really would wish they, I mean, I really wish they would just use the same articulation as the smaller GI Joes or Marvel Legends, 3.75 inch figures, especially for the price point. These are like almost $10 a piece, and this is probably, I mean, just how much it costs them to make this guy, and they're charging $10 a piece. There seems to be a little Star Wars collector premium here. And then they have the more articulated versions of these figures in the same scale for $15. Seems like I'm paying a collector's tax for these guys. Anyway, small little gripe. Let's put his helmet on. Fits nice and neat, nice and clean. Makes me wonder if they're gonna release, let's get him straight in a bit. Makes me wonder if they're gonna release an animated version of his X-Wing. There you go. Okay, let's get to Jarek. Put him aside. Okay, so here we have Jarek Eager. He comes with his droid bucket, a helmet, and a small pistol. Let's take a look at Jarek. As you can see, Jarek has no problem standing up, unlike Poe. Let's get into the detail here. Very nice detail on the face. I like the paint apps on it. So I can get it to focus. Very nice. I like the paint app here and here. Very cleanly done, unlike that Stormtrooper from the last review I did. Let's focus here. There you go. Very nice, clean figure. Let's go on to the articulation here. Head 360. It is on a ball joint. Arm can rotate 360 as well. No waist, of course. None of these figures do, which is unfortunate because it would seem to be easy to do that. And the legs goes up, the legs go back, and that's all you can do with these. His helmet, just like Poe, very nice, clean paint apps, not sloppy, which I like a lot. Let's put it on his head. Oh, this is not a helmet. This is an actual head. So you can see here, little. Okay, I guess that's why it's actually not really clear. So let's pop his head out. Pop it out. Should have known the helmet would not have fit on that hair. Pop the helmet on. There you go. Nice little snap. A little tight. Not too tight. Not too bad. Just right, I think. There you go. There he is with his helmet. And his pistol. There you go. And if you ever want to have a scene where he's decapitated, I guess you have a head. Let's take a look at Bucket. Bucket's articulation, he's on his legs is all in a ball joint, so has a lot more freedom than the standard R2 type droid. Has a little articulation here on the foot, and the head is also on a ball joint. So let's look at the detail here. Nice clean paint apps as well. This is very rubbery. Yeah, this is like a rubbery type of plastic here. Very nice and clean on the helmet as well. I like it. It seems like so far in this line of figures, the only figure that I have a gripe with in not having nice clean paint apps is the First Order Stormtrooper. Hey, well that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.